Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge channel, and in this video we will fix Samsung Galaxy A52 hanging and restarting problem. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to fix hanging and restarting problem in Samsung Galaxy A52, I will show you 4 steps and hope so this will fix your problem. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.